If you care about your health, then our Healthcare Congress is for you. Our annual International Integrative Healthcare and Holistic Iridology Congress is a unique, world-class educational experience.
And I'd like to invite you to Dr. Pisek's Holistic Iridology Congress. It's going to be held in Orlando, Florida on October the 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd. Come join me and meet some of the most advanced iridology practitioners. You'll also get the opportunity to meet some other naturopathic doctors that offer a variety of supplements and nutraceuticals. Come join us. We're looking forward to seeing you there.
Visit iridologycollege.org/Congress for more information and to register. Visit iridologycollege.org/Congress for more information and to register.